Radhe Govinda Govinda Radhe.
You look for, see, people generally want to become leaders. Why? They want to become leaders because there is a big position, they'll have so many facilities, everyone will praise them, everyone will respect them, right? So many facilities are there to enjoy, you'll become famous, right? So that's why people want to become leaders. But when you don't have the qualification, or when you don't have the quality of being a leader, but you get the position of being leader, then that position will not last, and that position will be the cause of your destruction. The position which comes without qualification, right? So everyone wants opportunity. We want to have opportunity to do things. We want to have opportunity to become a president or prime minister. We want to have opportunity to become a big CEO. We want opportunities. We are all after opportunities. Everyone wants opportunity, but how many of them are looking for qualification, right? So before aspiring for opportunity, we should aspire for qualification. Do we have the qualification? So a devotee of the Lord, he does not look for opportunity. He only looks for qualification. When he becomes qualified, when you have the qualification, then God himself will give you the opportunity. God himself will give you the opportunity. It will come on its own. And when you have the qualification, then God gives you wealth which will never be lost. Right? Bali Maharaj was tested by Vaman Dev, but after he passed the test, then Vaman Dev said, okay, I'll give you a special planet called Sutala Lok. In that planet, nobody can steal your opulences. Even Indra may lose his post. Even Indra, the king of heaven, may lose his post, but nobody can touch your kingdom, because I will be the gatekeeper. Krishna became the gatekeeper of Sutal Lok, where Bali Maharaj was there. So when Krishna gives you the qualification, see, Krishna does not give you material favors. What he does instead is he makes you qualified. When he makes you qualified, then automatically you will get the opportunity. Krishna, first, he does not give you opportunity. First, he gives you tests to make you qualified, to make you qualified, not in the material sense, like your BTech or MTech or PhD. That's not the qualification I'm talking about. Qualified means who have the qualities that are required to be a leader. So Krishna gives you that qualification first, and after that he'll give you opportunity. But what we want, first we want opportunity, and then we want to become qualified. So that is the problem with us. So therefore, aspire for qualification. So therefore, Krishna does not give too much wealth to his devotees beyond what they can handle. Because if Krishna gives you too much, then you have more opportunity and less qualification. Then what you will do? Then you will do all bad things, wrong things. You will misuse it. You will abuse that wealth and position. And as a result, you will go to hell eventually. But how Krishna works is, first he'll make you qualified. First he'll make you such a pure soul who has no contamination, very like gem-like, diamond-like person. And when you become gem-like person, then Krishna says, now you are qualified. Now I can give you the whole world also. So that's how Krishna works. He works slow. Why he works slow? Because he wants to make you qualified first. On the other hand, Lord Shiva, he immediately gives opportunity. Whatever you ask, he'll give you to Bholenath. But what happens? You get that boon, and then you'll misuse it, and you'll fall down. Same thing happened to Ravan. Same thing happened to Bhasmasur. They get what they want, but eventually they are finished because they misuse that power, they misuse that position and that facility. But Lord Krishna, he is very slow, but he'll make you qualified first.